こんにちは、スティーブ・テキ店のスティーブです。寒いですよ、テキサスはめっちゃ寒いですよ。今、友達のキムさんが来てます。キムさん、こんにちは。キムさんはなぜいるのかというと、7ヶ月間が自分の愛車のビートがないことを、今日こちらに今からビートが7ヶ月ぶりに来ます。なぜこの7ヶ月間がいなかったかっていうことを、レストアっていうのかな、ペンキと塗装といろいろこの7ヶ月間ラスティというすごくいい人がこれから来るんだけど、キムさんの車、をペイント、バディワーク、錆直しと the rust 今から来ました。Hang on a second. I see something. I feel something. キムさんの車が来た。ラスティのトラックに乗っかってるんで、ちっちゃいから、Kim, you can't even see it, it's so small. キムさんの笑顔も見たい。Kim, you're like a little baby. Look! You're not gonna do a Kim scream? Kawaii! Whoa, my gosh, she looks so cute, so different. ワークのホイールもついた。Thank you. Rusty, what's up, man? How are you? Dude, she looks beautiful, man. Fantastic. すげえ! That, wow! Look at that. そう、色がすごくいいんじゃない? Kim, this is such a beautiful color you guys chose. Rusty? Great work, man. Great work. You did darn good. Wow. Kim さん。Wow. かっこいい。ナイス。素晴らしい出来じゃないですか。これから組み立て作業が、あります。内装などのパーツを戻して、これからの作業なんだけど、車自体がこう7ヶ月がかかったんだけど、ほらキムさん見て抱っこしているんだよね。もうハッグしてる。俺も嬉しいし、これ完成、させて、早くまた走らせたいということで、You ready to get it off the trailer and put it inside the shop? Yeah. I bet you are. Let's do it.
Look, there's no seat.
There's no. Nice. Can you see over the steering wheel?
I can.
Let's see. Close the door. Oh yeah, you look like a little kid in there. Look at that. Be easy on her. She's been sitting for 7 months.
Oh my god.
How happy are you to hear that noise again?
I miss that sound so much.
No, I bet. Keep us on the all right.ギリギリだよね、こっち側が。Alright. Good. Yep, you're good. Straight back. Woo! Touchdown! シートがなくてもなんか似合うんじゃない？シートがない方がかっこいいよね。なんか低くて乗れるっていうのはなかなかかっこいいよね。俺どこに行くの、キムさん？あ、乗りたくて仕方ないんじゃない？Woo! Straight ahead, my friend. かっこいい。マジでもう完全に変わった、変身した。これ大型トラックでも通るぞ。軽自動車は間違いなく心配ない。キムさんはやっぱり自分の愛車に傷つかないように。いいね、かっこいい。You're good, straight back. Alright. そのまままっすぐ。はい、まっすぐどうぞ。もうちょっといいよ。どうぞ。You're good, a little bit more. That's perfect. I think that's a good spot right there. Perfect spot. 藤原豆腐店の下で黄色いビート。いいね。Congratulations, Kim. Your car looks fantastic. Was it worth the 7 months of waiting?
It was totally worth it.
It was. It looked
so-
absolutely fantastic. Rusty did an awesome job.
Yeah, I'm so happy now.
We had a lot of rust in the car. That's been completely cleaned up, right? Obviously, that was the main thing.
That was originally what I went in for to have repaired, and the yellow on it that it was before was incredibly hard to match. So
Wound
we
up complete color changing
just
it.
decided to redo the whole thing, and I chose Acura NSX Spa Yellow Pearl. It has 3 layers
Fantastic
of pearl.
color.
Yeah.
And then you went black with the top, and you kind of kept it kind of two-tone yellow and black, but the wheels.
The wheels.
Yeah. Work wheels?
Yeah, work wheels.
Oh, man,
and
of course.
yeah,
we love
so-
work wheels, don't we? You made the right choice. Those look perfect with it. So now the car is here. You've got lots of space inside the shop here, and you got some time.
Yes.
We got a little bit of time. I want to help you out a little bit. So we got to reassemble. Let's see what you've been doing behind the scenes on the stuff that's sitting behind the car. Kind of show everybody what you've been doing.
So the interior, basically, I went through and had the dash, a lot of the panels done in a suede Alcantara type material.
Very nice.
And-
Very nice.
A lot of the, as far as the dash panels, things like that.
Oh, yeah. Look at how nice that is.
Yeah.
And who helped out with this?
As far as the fender goes, JV and Sons Upholstery and McKinney.
Julio. Our friend Julio. Yes, of course. Julio and Diego.
All this, it was super scratched up when I first got it. And so I did an adhesion promoter,
Yeah.
3 layers of color, and then 2 layers of tack-free, and it pretty much made all the panels look brand new.
Kim,
Yeah.
I'm impressed, but you know who's even more impressed? The Liquid Molly lady. Look at how happy she is for you. She's happier than you are. Unbelievable. That stuff looks really, really nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And got something else.
Oh, I see it. I see it. That is nice. Kakkoi.
Clean that all up.
Nice. The Sparko wheel for the car.
With the little yellow
Top it up.
stripe.
I love it, man. It will match this baby just perfectly. All right, Kim-san. We got to work. I want to help you out. Let's work. Let's get it done. Ready? Let's go.面白い作業中に気になったところがあって、これ今見てるんですけど、これなんていうのかな、安全交通安全見変わり不動損っていうのかな。このステッカーがまだ残ってるのはいいよね。ステッカーといえばこの中にもう面白いステッカーがあります。昭和53年排出ガス、規制適合車、ですね。面白いよね。エンジンの型式っていうもの、景色っていうのかな、型式、どっちが正しいんだろうね。さらに面白いステッカーあります。ありますね。あ、なんか後ろにもあったステッカーと同じだよね。いいね。これ何の意味だろう。11時ぐらいまで俺は頑張ったんだけど、キムさんはもう少し頑張るって言ってたんで、まだ、うわ、すんげえ。Kim, did you go to sleep last night? おはよう、おはようございます。キムさん、did you sleep last night? ちょっと、Whoa, you got a lot of stuff done. すごい。Wow, the steering wheel. Oh, the cluster. That looks fantastic. Look at how nice everything looks. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Looking like a car again, man.
Yes.
Woo, look at that. ここまでは昨日ね、2人でやってコンソールを入れてこの辺りを組んだんだけど、その後キムさんは一人でこの辺りを組み立てたっていう、またね、取り付けて、 いい感じになってきてます。Looking good, man. Time to wrap it up, huh? よし、終わったんで、これからキムさんに、車を出してもらいましょう。 OK、 キムさんどうぞ。来た来た来た来た来た来た来た来た。やったーめっちゃかっこいいビートできましたね、キムさんが。Nice, Kim. She looks fantastic. Look at it. So nice. Wow. キムさんきっと笑顔だろう。ずっとこれでキムさんの犬も遊びに来てるんだよね。この2匹がスカイちゃんと遊びに。わーかっけー。 Nice, Kim. Looks fantastic. Really cool. Let's go for a drive, man.
I'm excited.
7 months in the waiting.
I can't believe it. I can't believe this is happening.
Don't run out of gas.
Well, you know, we'll see what happens.
Let's go. ガス欠するとこです。危険かな。
Left to right.
Right.
That's amazing. The sound. I miss that sound so much.
So nice. All right. Woo! 光ってる。かっこいい。Alright, slow down on my neighbor and get before I get thrown out. いい音だね。なんかトンネルもつけたらしいんだよな。トンネルがいい音、いい音。トンネルというんだよね。いいな。That sounds great.
It does.
Fantastic. いいよね。7ヶ月かかったけど、結果的にはすごく良かった。いい車できたと思います。What a fantastic car. Nicest little yellow beat running around in this area for sure.
It is.
Nice, nice. Thumbs up, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. ドライブは次のドライブを楽しみにしています。他の軽自動車と箱スカでも楽しみにしているので、キムさん、ちょっとスピードを出しすぎだよ。出しすぎだよ。近所で怒られる。ビートで興奮しすぎちゃってるので、そうなってるのかな。まあ、来週も楽しみだし、チャンネル登録といいねも入れてくださいね。よろしくお願いします。